guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew, where you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Yes. We're going back to every single Monday like clockwork. I did take a little break, and I'm filming right now to get this out as soon as possible. One, because it's Derma E time. Is this package hella late? It is. This is actually the July box, not August, but I did get it, I believe, like August 1st. So there's that, and I just want to get this out. This is not a video about me catching up and telling you guys what happened, where I've been. This is literally, I've been posting consistently every single Monday for the last 2 years, almost 3 years, and life is just lifing. So we'll talk about that in another video. I have a video before that where I'm pretty much saying the same thing in my intro, but I did go behind the scenes at Orange Live. That is my cousin Raccoon show. Justin Black Guy with Lawrence Turner were there. Cola Ray, 232 AR. Like, it was an amazing show, and I do have some footage of that, and I do want to show you that. And I just have to sit down and edit it. That's really what that is. But yeah, so if you guys are ready to get into this, it's very late. Derma E July unboxing. I also want to show you guys the 3 of my current favorite Derma E products that obviously I don't know what's in this box, but I do want to talk about them because I love them. So if you guys are ready to get into it, make sure you go ahead and keep on watching. First things first, don't worry about what my hair is doing. That's 1. 2, I don't have any contacts in on my glasses. I'm trying to film this so that I have to sit down and start editing so that I can get this out, because I feel like if I take any longer of a break from YouTube, I'm not going to want to come back. And that's where I'm at, because things have not necessarily been getting better. So let's just get into it before I start crying here on camera. All right. That's my mailbox, so it's not an address, so I don't have to worry about y'all. And that's fine. Let's get into it. You guys know we have the unboxing knife. Why? Because some of them have a pull tab. No, Elements has a pull tab, and I still can't open it. So this is where we just be at with the stuffs and things. So if I'm squinting, just know that that's one. They keep trying to trick me with this. I was about to say, there's a product in here that I bought actually there's a product here that I did buy, but it's something that looks like something that I was just going to tell you guys about. So that's kind of crazy, but I'm glad one of these products are in here. So, first things first, we have the Scar Gel. Don't I have this? I haven't been using it as much because, again, I haven't been like really on top of my skincare. I did make sure I did my full nighttime skincare routine today, because I'm like, look, I'm trying to make sure that I'm eating again. I'm trying to make sure my skin is good. I haven't been outside too much, so the little tan that I got, that's it. But I'm pretty sure I have this already. I'm going to go run to my bathroom, and we're going to do some magic. Let's do it. Okay. Yo, when I tell you I do those things, and it be like, I'm about to fly out the chair, I'm about to fly out. So I do have this already. So here is the Derma E Scar Gel. I like it. I used it consistently for like a few weeks, maybe a month. I kind of stopped when my face was like breaking out more, because I needed to substitute that with different serums and different products. But I've used a lot of it because I was using it like every day. So I like this. I like how it feels on my skin. I did notice that some of the like smaller little scarring was fading, so it definitely works if you use it consistently. With anything in skin, especially scar related and trying to brighten the skin and brighten up dark marks and hyperpigmentation, it takes time. So I think within like a month I did start to see some results, and that's great. I don't know if you guys can tell, my skin has actually not been really bad. I've been having little breakouts here and there, but over the last 2 weeks I've really been like trying to get it together. So I think we're in a great spot. And like I've been saying, like, my skin has really been holding me down because they know I'm going through a lot. So what I'm going to do is add this to the products that I will be gifting in a giveaway. That's right, Aaron. I saw you in the comments. I will be doing a skincare giveaway really soon. I just need to gather the products and the money, really, to get everything together. The economy is trash. Everything's expensive. my prescription, y'all, everything. But I'll be holding on to this for a future giveaway. The next product is kind of heavy. It says Vitamin C Weightless Moisturizer, Broad Spectrum SPF 45. Yo, I might be going skydiving tomorrow. So I'm filming this on Friday. I usually go on Saturdays. I don't like to do anything on Sundays. And I'm gonna try to have this video ready for you guys. Okay, so there's that. So it is brightening protection. So it's supposed to brighten and protect your skin. I will be using this in the morning because I do need a daily moisturizer. But let's look at it. And I'll say it feels kind of heavy. I just want to see what it looks like on the hand. My problem with a lot of SPF products, it already looks like the consistency of like sunscreen, is that it leaves that white cast on you. You guys saw I used a little bit and it already looks like I'm about to look purple. Yep. So I don't know. I'll try to use it in the morning. I do wear a hat when I'm up there, and it does smell kind of like a light citrus scent. So I'm gonna rub it in and we're gonna see how it works. It doesn't look too bad. Like the purple cast isn't awful. We'll see how it goes by the end of the video. It is going to be a quick video. There's just only 3 products in here. One I already had, so really 2 new products. And one I was going to talk about anyway, which is nuts. So I think this is cool. Let's see what it says. Help prevent sunburn. Need that I burn very, very easily. If used as directed with other sun protection measures, decreases the risk of skin cancer. Like what? Like staying out of the sun? Do not use on broken skin, damaged or broken skin. Whatever. You guys know how to use moisturizer. You guys know how to use sunblock. My problem is that you might look a little purple. But if you're so I was gonna say, which is why it's not ideal to use sunblock under your makeup. You should still, but I'm gonna try it. It says prime and brighten. I'm all down for brightening my skin because I get stupid scarring everywhere. I don't know what that was. Okay. So the last product here, which is perfect because I was really going to talk about it. So last Sunday, July 31st, my younger brother moved into his dorm. So him and his friend texted me that he needed some skincare before he goes, but he's going upstate to Albany. So he's like, he wants some skincare to make sure that his skin looks good and he looks young. He really said he looks younger than the rest of his friends, but none of my business. So I did go ahead and went to Ulta to buy them a few products that I think that they would enjoy. Now, this product was one of them that I bought my brother. Just to make sure he doesn't have a lot of breakouts. He doesn't break out a lot, but he has like little ones here and there. And this is the Derma E Acne Deep Pore Cleansing Wash. Has active salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and chamomile. Now, you guys know I love a product with salicylic acid because I do get little stupid breakouts, but really it helps to keep those breakouts at bay. And if you guys know the drama with my Truly Beauty serum, fear not, right? Because my brother has been using this since he left. So it's been about a week, and my mother went to drop something off to him actually yesterday. And she's like, wow, I have to tell you, his skin looks really, really good. And it's going to look good. Because I know what I'm doing, okay? I know what I'm doing. I've tried so many different products. But I know from ingredients and brands what products work. So this is really, really good. You guys know I love my La Roche-Posay Effaclar, which also has salicylic acid. And they're about the same price. So I think this is about $15, $16 around there. It's no more than $20. And the Effaclar was about $18 for the size that I got. So great product. This has 6 fluid ounces and it has a pump. The Effaclar one doesn't have a pump, so that's a little annoying sometimes. And right now, the one I got, it looks like it's leaking in my medicine cabinet, but I don't know. But this is really, really good. But you know what else is really good? From the same line, because if you don't know, Derma E has different lines of products targeted to different skincare concerns. I got the Acne Blemish Control Treatment Serum. These two, let me tell you. Okay? Game changer. My brother's used this. I haven't used this yet, but this is a game changer. So it is a serum. It has active salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and aloe. You can use this, it says up to 3 times a day, but reduce how much you use it if you are getting, if your skin is dry. So my skin doesn't really get dry, and I only use this once a day, typically. I'll use it in the morning, and it's so good. It is so good. It is the perfect serum. It says reduces acne, blackheads, and breakouts, and it does. So just because you're not breaking out right now, if you are prone to get breakouts, especially if you have like summertime where it's hot and it's oily, and I don't know what this heat wave has been, but I hate it. Also, if you have hormonal acne, this definitely, like, products like this definitely help. I highly recommend these two. But let me tell you, you guys know that as soon as I got the Blemish pads from Derma E, the minute I used them, I posted about it on my community tab. I texted one of my friends because y'all need it, and I bought more. So I'm pretty sure these are all in the same line. Use them. They're amazing. Again, $15, $16. And you get 50 pads, 50 of them. I would say use this once a day also. If you're gonna use them, I'm gonna say you could use the cleanser morning and night. Same. I would use this once a day. So you're going to choose to use it in the morning or in the night because you feel it immediately. I'm telling you, you do. So it also has azelaic acid, salicylic acid, and chamomile, right? Controls oils, reduces breakouts on face and body. So you can use this on your body if you have, body acne, backne. But this is so good. The second I used it, I felt it. I felt it working. I swear I did. And it wasn't like it was tingly and like got a little burn, but it did not irritate my skin at all. I swear. These, I bought, even this, like this one came in my package today, but I bought these all with my own money, so you know it's good. And they're not expensive. Like, these are so good. So I highly recommend this entire line. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy this line for the giveaway. I'm just gonna give this to my brother if I'm gonna be honest with you. Otherwise I would include it, the Scar Gel. But another product that I really, really love is their Microdermabrasion Scrub. I don't know what month I got it, but it is really, really good. This is the scrub that was like, it's really, really fine exfoliants. So they said if you have sensitive skin or your skin's easily irritated, don't use it as often, but also don't apply as much pressure when you use it. But I think it's great. My skin feels so, guys, look at my skin. When I tell you stress is stressing me out, look at my skin. It looks so good. And I used all of these products tonight, except for this one and the Scar Gel. But I did use these products along with my Africa cleanser and a toner. So how I like to do it is cleanse, pat dry, tone. So some extra toners do, it definitely tightens up the skin, but it gets the rest of any leftover cleanser that is on your skin. It gets that off, right? Boom, it's gone. Then I go in with these, well, one pad. I get the face, it feels good, I let it air dry. I go in with this serum, and I would recommend either going in with the Scar Gel afterward, or if you have the Scar Gel, go in with the Scar Gel. But because my face has been breaking out, I've been going in with my CBD Jelly Anti-Acne Mask, which is just a light gel mask, something light. You can, of course, go in with your favorite moisturizer. I highly recommend the Overnight Vitamin C moisturizer, night cream from Derma E is also really, really good. Derma E has great products. Yes, they send me stuff every month. However, you guys see, I repurchase because this was in an empties video, and it's going to be in every empties video because it's amazing. But that's it. I don't know. It felt good to be back and talk about products that I really love. I'm really excited that this is in here. But I'm gonna text my brother, ask him if he needs one. If he doesn't want another one, or if he doesn't need one anytime soon. Either way, this product is gonna be in the giveaway. The serum, the cleansing pads, the Microdermabrasion Scrub. Other products will be in there. It's not just gonna be all Derma E. I want to give you guys a really, really good skincare giveaway. I plan to do another giveaway. I tested out the viral TikTok camera. That video got scrapped. Like, I'm trying to get back to you guys. That's probably just gonna be a short here on YouTube because I got things to say and that's that. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for having me. If you tuned in after a while, I am sorry, but I'm trying my best. I'm here. I've missed you guys. I don't know. It felt really, really good just to do this. This for me has been some like therapy. So in my update video, just talking about what's been going on and why I've been missing from YouTube. What do you guys want? We're gonna do a chit chat, get ready with me. You guys like that, and y'all don't care how long it is. So let me know if you guys want like a wearable look, or you guys want like a really fun, colorful. We'll probably do some graphic liner. We'll do whatever. If you want a wearable look, comment wearable down below. If you want a colorful look or fun look, comment colorful in the comment section. It gets you guys to engage with me. You guys know that is a problem here on this channel, which also makes it feel like it's not worth it. But this definitely, this helped. And today was a rough day. So thank you guys. We're not going to cry. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew. So you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.